School, please stand for the arrival of the Headmaster and Mrs. Weeks.
Lately I found when I start to think aloud, there's a longing in the sound, there is more I could be.
I'm truly honoured to be given the opportunity to voice and extend on behalf of the students and staff a deep appreciation for all that the Headmaster and Mrs. Weeks have brought to our school community through their many years of dedicated service. And you are and will always be the very fabric which binds the Knox family together.
Thank you for your willingness to take up the calling to lead us. Thank you for giving above and beyond over the past 15 years. Thank you for the sacrifices you have made, both publicly and privately. Thank you for everything you've done to make these schools what they are today. And wherever you may go, remember, you'll always be a part of Knox.
Our wish for you both is in the words of the Irish blessing. May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always on your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, the rains fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand.
Today, it is time for me to go after almost 15 years. And I do it with great sadness because I love what I do. Thank you. Thank you for everything that you've done for this occasion. Thank you, one and all, and might God bless you as you go forward from strength to strength. It's been a pleasure.
For a place I've never seen, it's been calling out to me, that is where I should be.